is it? It's time to target your pronunciation. Hi friends, welcome to my home. My name's Stephanie and this channel is called More Than Language. I started a new series called Targeting Your Pronunciation. The past lessons have been very formal. Today, I wanted to informally speak with you because the schwa sound, the most common English sound, is a very relaxed sound. And to teach it formally, I could do it, but I think if we have this informal chat, it'll give you more examples of when we use this sound, which is very frequent in the English language. So welcome. This is my dog, Casey. Say hi, friends. She may jump off my lap. You may hear the doorbell ring or anything because this is real life. Let's get started. The schwa sound is a very relaxed sound. Your jaw's relaxed. It's not stressed, but it's very important in the whole pronunciation of the English language. In two-syllable words and in some one-syllable words, you'll hear it. As an English second language learner, when you're learning new vocabulary, you may pronounce the vowel with a short vowel or a long vowel or one of the other sounds the vowels make. And then someone may not understand. Let's try that. Uh-oh. Did it break?
Yes. Oh, cool.
Do native speakers always say a schwa in the same words? Not necessarily. When native speakers speak or talk slower or more formally, they'll use less schwa sounds. Also, in some words, the unstressed vowel can sound a little closer to an I than the There's the sound. How do I know when to use the schwa? This question comes up often. As you hear English more clearly, you'll begin to recognize the sound of the schwa. Then you can monitor yourself and use it in your own speech. Most English dictionaries show the schwa, which is an upside down E. I'll put the picture of it here. They're commonly used with the unstressed part of the word. Question number 3. Do I always have to say the schwa vowel to sound effective in English? No, not at all. You just need to shorten the unstressed part and lower your pitch. Schwa frequently in unstressed syllables to sound like a native speaker? Yes. Once you learn the schwa and you incorporate it into your natural conversation, you'll sound more native. But that'll take time. These are some country names. Japan, not Japan. Ja uses that schwa. Korea, that uses 2 schwas. Germany, China, Finland, Morocco, Poland, Italy. Here's some names of people. It's not allies. Even though it's the vowel I, we have the schwa there. It's Alice. Norman. Marsha. Karen. Alan. Ethan. This name has two schwas. Rebecca, Kenneth. Vowel sounds, and then there are the reduced or the schwa in this case. So here's some clear vowels. Man, man. Woman, woman. It's not woman, it's woman, that sound. Fast, fast. Breakfast, breakfast, has that sound. Sip, sip. Gossip, gossip. Mass, mass. Massage, massage. It has that sound, massage. Add, advice, advice. It's got that sound. Thin, thin. Muffin, muffin. You hear that? Age, age. Hostage, hostage. The Den, den. Denial, denial. That has two of the schwas. Pro, pro. Has that O vowel. Productive, productive. Has the No. Innocent. It's not innocent, it's innocent. And some last examples that I'd like to share with you is a conversation. It's called Breakfast Conversation. Listen to the story and listen to the schwa as it is just incorporated gently in the conversation. I'm going to read this at a faster pace than more of a natural pace for Native Americans. Not just Native American, Native English speakers. It's called Breakfast Conversation. The man and the woman were having breakfast. I hope we can finish breakfast fast because I don't want to be late for work. The man started to eat his bacon omelet. The woman took a bite of her muffin, but got distracted. They began to gossip about the woman's boss. Can you imagine? He has a lot of advice about being productive and making a profit. Then he leaves early on Friday before things are finished. Well, I can't believe it. He never seems to work very hard. And did you notice his shoes at the open house? Expensive, but not polished. No, I didn't notice. Meanwhile, the omelet was getting cold and the minutes were ticking away. Some of the words that I said that used the were woman, breakfast, finish, started, muffin, bacon, omelet, distracted, imagine, advice, productive, profit, notice, polish. That was target 4. Target 4 is the unstressed, relaxed schwa sound. The next target is target number 5, and that is about what's happening as you're saying these sounds. I look forward to the next time we can get together, and thank you for letting me help you target your pronunciation. Have a good day.